Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Churchill puts Congress in fix again. Will either contest on Congress ticket or with any other party. Congress shortlists 3 names. BJP finalizes Alina. Chetan Desai wants to re-enter Goa Cricket Association, alleges GCA President Dayanand Narvekar. Raises serious questions on Desai's investigation. Managing committee will take a call on Monday, says GCA President. Elbeat out of super speciality hospital at the GMC. Government allows exit to the company. BJP had opposed the Elbeat proposal when they were in opposition. Goa wants AIFF Centre of Excellence proposal in writing, says SAG Executive Director Elvis Gomes. We expect the proposal in 2 weeks from AIFF, says Gomes. And Goa failed to progress, but visitors praise organizers of Sub-Junior National Basketball. Coach Bellari says state teams lack in basic technique. Now the news in detail. Churchill Alimau is firm on contesting Kottali by poll. Churchill, after facing humiliating defeat in the assembly election, is trying to stage a comeback in the Goa Assembly. On the other hand, Congress is considering 3 names, including that of Churchill, for Kottali by poll. These names have been sent to Delhi for approval. Congress is attempting for a straight fight in Kottali, and the senior Alimau has again put them in a fix. BJP has unanimously finalized Alina Saldana as their candidate.
Congress Goa desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar and Goa observer P. Sudhakar Reddy held a meeting with Kottali block members. GPCC President Subhash Shirokar, KP MLA Babu Kavlekar, Women's Cell President Cynthia De Silva and Raymond Dissa were present for the meeting. Congress presently has 3 names of candidates for contesting the by-poll. These names would reach the High Command for approval.
रेड्डी आणि ब्रार हांणी काँग्रेसचे जे दिग्गज आमचे फुडारी आसात तांची सगळ्यांची मिटींग घेतली. मिटींग म्हणजे मेळप केल्लें आसा. विशेष करून कोर्तालीम जे आसा पळय न्ही, कोर्तालीमचे हे ऑफिस बेरर्स, पक्षाचे कार्यकर्ते हांची सगळ्यांची बरोबर बैठक घेतली. तांचे व्यक्तिशा वेगळ्याचे व्ह्यूज जाणून घेतले आणि त्यानुसार मागीर एक सादारणशी 1, 2 ते 3 नांवां तशें मुखार आयिल्ली आसात. ही नांवां सादारणशी 14-15 तारखेक कळटली. म्हाका दिसना की चर्चिल इतले हेस्टी डिसिजन घेतलो अशें. काँग्रेस पक्ष सोडपाचें, दुसरे पक्षां वचपाचें वगैरे म्हाका दिसना. जरी मिडियाचेर हांवें वाचलां, आयकलां, म्हाका कॉन्फिडन्स आसा की तो काँग्रेस पार्टी रावतलो अशें.
Churchill Alimau says that some leaders of the Congress party have hurt his feelings. He also says that he would meet the people of Kottali constituency and decide on the political party for contesting the election. Meanwhile, BJP members held a meeting on Wednesday under the leadership of party president Lakshmikant Parsekar for deciding on their candidate for Kottali by-election. This meeting unanimously decided Alina Saldana to be the candidate for the BJP for Kottali by-poll.
Mathani Babachi Gharkan अलिना साल्दाना जी व्यवसायान अध्यापिका आसा, हिचें नांव हे एकमतान ठरलेलें आसा. तशें ऑफिशियली उमेदवारी अशी आज आमी म्हणूंक शकना, कारण हे नांव आमी इमिजिएट आतां फॅक्स करून राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्षाक वता. पार्लमेंटरी कमिटी आज बसतली आणि आज रातचे उशिरा पर्यंत ह्या नांवांक नोड मेळटलो.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Dayanand Narvekar has systematically hit back at Chetan Desai and has alleged the former GCA secretary of having vested interest in re-entering GCA. Dayanand Narvekar told press persons the managing committee will decide the further course of action on Monday. Meanwhile, Narvekar has also hit out at Porvorim MLA Rohan County's allegation, saying GCA's newly erected infrastructure did not require panchayat permission as it is government land.
He had returned to the bank, but bank did not accept that order of it. No financial transaction was stopped.
So it is not that GCA has stopped anybody coming from here. Members come, life member come, club members come, everybody come. The notice has been put, avoid strangers coming into Goa Cricket Association ground, disrupting, maybe misbehaving with the children, because there are a lot of children who are under 12.
He had never returned to GCA, that he's been appointed a chairman of a committee by the registrar. But all the reports we were reading through the media, and when he said he'll be here on the 10:30 morning on 7th, I was personally present here at the gate to welcome him.
Secondly, what he's asking is minute book as on 1/4/2011 till date. That means it looks like that he wants to investigate 1 year's affairs of Goa Cricket Association. When he ceased to be member of Goa Cricket Association, it looks like interference is because he was there till 2010 October when ODI took place. He had to face the entire ire of managing committee for having printed tickets with the same number. My question to him, was it everything fair and justifiable? Nothing went wrong in Goa Cricket Association till he was the member of Goa Cricket Association. Thirdly, BCCI has not even phoned us about so-called Chetan Desai bravado of saying that I talked to BCCI. He should tell you with whom he talked. This whole drama looks to me a vested interest of Mr. Chetan Desai to come in Goa Cricket Association by influencing club, nothing else. About this ground, there is an allegation that we have not taken Panchayat permission. It is a fact. Opposite to me, there is a building of GSIDC belonging to Education Department. GSIDC has not taken permission from Panchayat. It is normal case that whenever any construction comes on government property, no Panchayat or municipal permission is taken. That doesn't mean the building becomes illegal.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Purvarim.
Goa government has allowed Elbeat company to withdraw from the controversial PPP contract in Super Speciality Hospital at JMC in Bambali. Earlier, BJP had opposed this project introduced by former Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, claiming it to be a fraud. But now Elbeat itself has opted to be out.
अल्बेटाकडे केल्लो एग्रीमेंट आमकां एक तरफी हे करपाक कदाचित जड जावपाचो बिकॉज गव्हर्मेंट हॅड ऑलरेडी एंटर्ड इनटू एग्रीमेंट पण ताणेच प्रस्ताव दिलो त्यामुळे काम सोंपें जाल्लें आसा ताणें विड्रॉ जाल्ले आसात दे हॅव विड्रॉन देमसेल्स आनी त्यामुळे ताणें जी रक्कम भरलेली ती आमी तांचे रिफंड करतले डिपॉझीट जे दिल्ले ती आमी रिफंड केले की विशय सुटलो.
सरकारान मान्यता दिली तिंका
ऑब्वियसली
रक्कम कितली आसतली
म्हाका दिसता 2 कोटी हे डिपॉझीट असले आणि आनीक काही रक्कम एका वर्साची कितें तरी भरलेली ताणें 2-3 कोटीचे सगळे आसतले त्यामुळे असल्या पळटेच्या फाटल्यान लागून कांय अर्थ ना. आमच्या कपासिटीचेर हांगा वैद्यक सेवा सुविधा निर्माण करप हांगा आमी सुपर स्पेशालिटी करपाची ही घोशणा करतकीर अनेक गोमंतकीय जे भायर आसात ताणे प्रस्ताव आमी येतात हांगा वी आर देअर टू असिस्ट यू वी आर देअर टू हेल्प यू अशे अनेक जणांचे प्रस्ताव येतात.
Parsekar also informed Prudent that the review of the Golden Jubilee Universal Health Insurance Scheme will be taken within 3 months.
60,000 रुपया जे फॅमिली कवरेज दिल्ली ती आमी 2 लाखांपर्यंत व्हेली पण ती बजेटात प्रोविजन केल्लें आसा म्हणजे एका अर्थान पयशांची वेवस्था केल्ली आसा पण प्रत्यक्ष ताचें डिटेलिंग करप जालें ना. खूब फाटल्या 7 वर्सांची घाण काडपाकूच आमी व्यस्त आसात त्यामुळे आमी वेवस्था केल्ली आसा म्हाज्या अंदाजान फुडल्या 1-2-3 म्हयन्यांत ह्यो गोश्टी मार्गाक लागतात.
लोंबार्डा कडेन मिटींग जावची आसा
हय लोंबार्डा कडेन मिटींग जावपाची आसा.
However, government has taken stock of the 108 emergency services. Health department is trying to reduce cost on this emergency ambulance service.
108चे फक्त आमी खर्च जास्त जाता का कितें चड खर्च जाता का कितें हाचो एक रिव्ह्यू घेतलो. तसो व्हडलो खर्च जायना पण जो जाता खर्च तो अजून रिड्यूस करणे शक्य आसा काय आमी प्रयत्न करतात. सर्विसीस तांच्यो बऱ्यो आसात प्रश्न पण अजून एक्सपेन्सीस कट जावन गोंय राज्याक त्याचो बेनिफीट जाता जाल्यार आमी प्रयत्न निश्चित करतले ते चालूच आसता.
आता कितलो पर्यंत खर्च जाता पर ट्रीटमेंट
म्हज्या अंदाजान 1000च्या दरम्यान
तो कमी करपाचो प्रयत्न
अजून जावंक जाय.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari. Well, it's time for a short break. Stay tuned.